Please welcome the President and CEO of Porsche AG, Mr. Matthias Müller.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Days like this are rare in Porsche's history. Days when we reveal a new Porsche name and an entirely new car. Thank you for joining us such a day. I know that such moves can be controversial. When we first launched our Cayenne SUV and our Panamera sedan, we had to prove Porsche's most loyal fans that these were true Porsches. Actually, I'm proud to lead a car maker that has such loyal followers. Not many car makers do. And all those loyal fans had to do was drive our new models to see that they were true Porsches, felt like true Porsches, drove like true Porsches. That's why so many Cayennes and Panameras have found garage space alongside a 911 or a Boxster or a Cayman, while the others have brought the Porsche experience to new customers for the first time. Today we show you another new Porsche that we believe will do the same thing. It brings all those Porsche qualities to the booming compact SUV segment for the first time. And I'm in no doubt that it will make our marque accessible to drivers who perhaps didn't think they would one day own a Porsche. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to put the Porsche crest on the new Porsche Macan. The Macan has all the qualities that have made compact SUVs so popular around the world. A practical, flexible interior, the visibility and sense of security that comes with that extra rate height, and the ability to cope with rough roads, whether you find them in the Australian outback or maybe here in downtown Los Angeles. In creating the Macan, we have been lucky enough to be able to leverage the economies of scale of the Volkswagen Group, taking an excellent platform and using it to build a true Porsche. Our engineers were able to focus on the dynamic qualities you expect of a Porsche and on loading this car with Porsche content. So you will hold a steering wheel directly inspired by our 918 Spider. The Macan's agility, grip and steering precision are easily the best in class. The 400 horsepower Macan Turbo is easily the most powerful in its class. The Macan will offer air suspension, a first in this class. The Macan is actually the first Porsche to get our PDK double clutch gearbox as standard across the range, along with active all-wheel drive. And if you were in any doubt about the sporting intent of the Macan, consider this. You will be able to specify your Macan with Porsche ceramic brakes. Yes, ceramic brakes on a compact SUV. The Macan is truly the sports car of its class. Ladies and gentlemen, of all those die-hard Porsche enthusiasts, the hardest to please are those like me and my colleagues in Weissach, who developed the Macan, and those in Leipzig, who will build it to exactly the same standards as a 911. We don't just work at Porsche. We don't just drive Porsches. We live Porsche, and we won't put that crest and the name of our founder on a new car unless it's not just a great car, but a great Porsche. I'm lucky. I've driven the new Macan already. I know that it's another great Porsche. I can feel the Porsche DNA running through it, just as the Cayenne proved everything we have learned in 65 years of building the world's greatest sports cars also makes a great sports utility. Our loyal customers will recognize that Porsche-ness instantly, and our new customers are going to love it. Again, thank you very much for being with us today.